What are zooxanthellae, and why do corals need them? Imagine tiny algae living inside the tissues of corals, helping them survive in the colorful underwater world of coral reefs. These microscopic organisms are called zooxanthellae. They are single-celled algae that belong to a group known as dinoflagellates. These algae contain special structures called chloroplasts, which allow them to use sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. The name zooxanthellae comes from their yellow-brown color and their animal-like hosts, the corals. Corals and zooxanthellae have a partnership that benefits both. Corals provide the algae with a safe place to live inside their tissues, specifically in the inner layer called the gastrodermis. In return, the zooxanthellae perform photosynthesis and produce organic compounds like glucose, glycerol, and amino acids. These compounds are rich in energy and are transferred directly to the coral. This energy helps corals grow, build their calcium carbonate skeletons, and reproduce. Corals depend heavily on zooxanthellae because they live in nutrient-poor tropical waters. Without these algae, corals would not have enough food to sustain their large structures. The algae act like tiny solar panels, converting sunlight into food that the corals can use. This process allows corals to thrive in environments where other marine life would struggle to survive. The partnership also creates a recycling system. Corals produce waste products like carbon dioxide and nitrogen compounds, which the zooxanthellae need for photosynthesis. The algae use these wastes to grow and produce oxygen. They also remove excess waste from the coral tissues. This efficient recycling helps the entire reef ecosystem stay healthy and productive. Zooxanthellae are not only found in corals. They also live in other marine animals like sea anemones, jellyfish, giant clams, and sponges. But their relationship with reef-building corals is the most well-known and vital. The energy generated by this partnership supports the incredible diversity of life found in coral reefs. These ecosystems are often called the rainforests of the sea because of their rich variety of fish, invertebrates, and plants. However, this delicate relationship faces threats from climate change and pollution. Rising ocean temperatures and acidification can cause corals to expel their zooxanthellae, a process called coral bleaching. When corals lose their algae, they turn white and become more vulnerable to disease and death. If the stress continues, the coral may die, which affects the entire reef and all the creatures that depend on it. Without the partnership between corals and zooxanthellae, the vibrant and diverse coral reef ecosystems we see today would not exist. This alliance shows how different organisms can work together to create some of the most beautiful and productive habitats on Earth.